In the first part, we will get to know a few concepts in architecture that respond to the challenges of the time. Underlying health as a public need requires an analysis of space, living and working place, as well as place for recreation and leisure, followed by an architectural definition of the given task. Development of skills needed for harmonizing visual and aesthetic components in designing complex human environments. The students are familiarized with the physical, globally desirable principles related to society and its culture, legal regulations, and sustainability of the living environment. The development of architectural and urban planning program focuses and partly depends on the specificities of the present-day socio-cultural and natural phenomena, as well as the relationship between the local and global aspect with regard to the supremacy of the digital age. Under the main topic of healthy urban environment, we underline its keywords and understand the importance of an interdisciplinarity approach between technical sciences, architecture and engineering, natural sciences, medicine and health sciences, plus environmental sciences, as well as humanities and social sciences, concerning knowledge, skills and competences within the field of architecture and engineering needed for a healthy planning and design. Several topics are introduced, from building technology to theory, followed scales from an object to a city. The topics are sustainable architecture, sustainable urban design and planning, building technology, new materials, smart city and industry 4.0, nation environmental protection, urban sociology and urban forest. By leaning and building on the foundation of the World Health Organization's Zagreb Declaration for Healthy Cities from 2008 and on valuable experience of the Croatian Healthy Cities Network, within its tradition, Zagreb Faculty of Architecture approaches the topic of the healthy urban environment, while reflecting the thoughts and work of its 4 departments, from building technology to theory, following scales from one object to a city. The school's proposed methodology highlights 3 key aspects of the future trainer of the trainers: interculturalism, internationalism and interdisciplinarity, which then serves as its qualitative framework. When referring to intercultural, we address the common ground of the region specificities, conditions and the requirements for a healthy urban environment. While learning from both Croatian and Bosnian practices, seeking sustainable and resilient output, and comparing it to the closely relevant international ones. With interdisciplinarity in mind, we enhance the visible dependence of architecture and urban planning to other disciplines such as medicine and health sciences. Following the example of Andrija Štampar School of Public Health, as one of the oldest public schools in Europe, Zagreb Faculty of Architecture aims to encourage interdepartmental cooperation and mutual learning by sharing academic knowledge and supporting comprehensive health planning. When thinking about urban forest, we see its impact on the microclimate of the city, more as Villadioso by Corbusier and less as Manhattan. Urban forests play an important role in benefiting the environmental condition of their respective cities. They moderate local climate, slow wind and stormwater, and filter air and sunlight, while reducing temperature and smoke. Thank you.